Hi everybody, it's Cheri aka Cannabis Cheri, and I'm here today with a tip to help you get more potency out of your cannabis brownies. Before I get to that though, I just want to remind everybody to hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday, and hit that like button too if you get value out of my videos because it helps us be seen in YouTube's algorithms. Oh, and if you like my 419 Got a Minute shirt, those are available on my website with a bunch of other fun cannabis designs. So check that out. I'll put a link in the comments below. Okay, I promised you a tip on how to increase the potency of your brownies, your cannabis brownies. And this tip actually goes back a long, long way. When I first got into cannabis, a friend of mine was experimenting with cooking, and as was I at the time, and he noticed for some reason that the brownies on the edge of the pan seemed to be more potent than the ones in the middle. And why would that be? Edge brownies be more potent? I'll tell you why. Because the edges of the pan, it gets a little bit warmer, and the weed in there decarbs a little bit more. And if you don't know what decarboxylation is, I'm going to put a link below to a tutorial so you can learn all about it. But my tip here is to use what is called an all edges brownie pan, and Mitch put a picture up of one of those. Or alternately, use a bite-sized brownie pan. And I take this tip so much for granted I didn't even think about it till I was making brownies recently, and a friend was visiting going, "Why do you always make your brownies in those individual little brownie pans? Is that for dosing?" And I'm like, well, not exactly, but yes, dosing is a great positive side effect of using those little individual brownie pans, but it's also because it gives you more brownie edges. So the brownies brown more on the edges, that decarboxylates the cannabis a little bit more, and we find that those edge brownies tend to be a little bit more potent. You might even be able to skip decarbing if you make all edge brownies and still have very, very potent brownies. So give it a try, see if you notice a difference if you between the edge brownies or the brownies in the middle of the pan, or if you use one of these pans, and I'll put links below to order them, either the little bite-sized individual brownie pans or the all edge brownie pans. And I think you're going to notice a little bit of increase in the potency by cooking your cannabis brownies that way too. I have tons of great cannabis brownie recipes, and I'm going to put a link to those in the comments below as well. So hope this helps. Have fun and eat your weed, everyone.